To change the Facebook page name, first of all open any browser that you have and log into your Facebook account and go to this menu icon. Go to this page section. From here, you will see the list of all the pages that you have. Let's say I want to change the Facebook page name of this foreign job hunt. Okay. Select the page and switch now. Tap on this switch now option. All you have to do is after you choose the Facebook page that you want to change the name of and switch the account, your account into the Facebook page account, tap on this setting. From here, scroll down and go to this page setup. From here is the name option. From here, edit. Now select the new page name that you want to change to. Let's say foreign vacancy. Now review change, and my current page name is foreign job hunt and my new page name is foreign job vacancy. So enter here, enter your password and request change. You can see my Facebook page name has already been changed, and here is the name foreign job vacancy. So this is how you change Facebook page name